What if there was a therapy that could reduce weight, increase blood flow, and make you feel better? Who wouldn't want more of that? Hello, my name is Nick Wenstad, and I'm here to talk about cryotherapy. This is important to all of us because we could all use a little more blood flow and less pain in our lives. These treatments have been shown to reduce cancer, cure dermatological diseases, and help with weight loss, as well as increase blood flow and help with pain. As I've gotten older, I've realized that I don't heal as quickly, that I'm not as strong as I used to be, and that life is just a little bit harder. My body doesn't bounce back nearly as fast as it used to. I've had to pay more attention to my diet, and my nutrition has become more and more important. So I've had to focus. My research and my life is really revolved around getting better and more efficient at taking care of a healthier lifestyle. So cryotherapy is something that's always intrigued me and something that I'm really interested in. Cryotherapy has been used by elite athletes for years and has been adopted by a lot of billion-dollar franchises in sports as well. And if these athletes and franchises are adopting it, it must be beneficial. First, I would like to talk about what cryotherapy is. Second, I'd like to talk about how cryotherapy can cure a wide array of diseases and conditions. And third, I'd like to talk about how this can be beneficial for everybody. Let's talk about what cryotherapy is exactly. Back in the day, cryotherapy used to be considered a cold tub, just a tub with cold water. Someone sat in it for a long period of time. Today we use a chamber, something like this, that has liquid nitrogen pumped into it in a gas form, and it helps to target the area around the body and reduces the temperature to negative 200, 250 degrees Fahrenheit. What this does is the patient spends 2 to 4 minutes in their short burst intervals, and it shocks the body into releasing, opens the blood vessels, increases blood flow, but it reduces inflammation, increases the body's immune system response. It's very, very beneficial. So the intense cold really is used to target the damaged tissue. So if you have an injury or inflammation, let's say from a hard workout, this will help you heal quicker, so to speak. So a study conducted in 2000 by Bad Sakingen at the Cochrane Institute of Rehab and Epidemiology of Germany concluded that cryotherapy significantly reduced pain in short term. A therapy that can be localized to a specific point on the body, or it can be used as the whole body, as you saw in the cylinder treatment here. The cylinder is important because it is void of moisture, so the patient can sit in the cylinder and be exposed to much, much colder temperatures than if there was moisture in the air. This is important. This is for the healing factor. So now that you know what cryotherapy is, I'll talk about the benefits in the body and how it has a lot of key benefits to helping other diseases as well. So because of the cold, it helps in lowering the inflammation and increasing blood flow. So like I said before, to problem areas or to the whole body in general. So it's been shown to also help with weight loss, reduce anxiety and depression. A study in 2017 by Julian Lamblin found that athletes that used the cryotherapy chamber were significantly less sore in their muscles, and they recovered faster than athletes that did not use the cryotherapy chamber. So this has not been studied by the FDA, but this has been shown by, again, elite athletes and marathon runners, people that their job is their body and their body has to perform for their living. They have adopted this technology and they've recovered faster. They swear by this stuff. And patient testimonials and independent labs are studying this stuff and finding the same conclusions. So cryotherapy has been billed as a cure-all in some circles. We're not quite there yet, but it does have some promising examples. So now that you know how cryotherapy can help, let's talk about why this is a game changer for everybody. So it's not just for professional athletes or elite athletes. I'm an athlete, and I'm certainly not elite, but I sure would like to feel better, heal quicker so I can train longer, and just feel better overall. So this may not cure cancer for everybody. This may not cure everyone's depression. Not everyone may lose weight, but this can be beneficial to a lot of people, especially the elderly. A study in 2012 by the Department of Psychiatry and Wrocław Medical University found that patients who used the cryotherapy and experienced reduced inflammation and stress exhibited less signs of dementia. Because the cryotherapy helps the antioxidant and the anti-inflammatory response in the body, the scientists think that this is the key to reducing dementia signs. Applications are limitless, and really this is at the forefront of science and technology. So that's a brief look at how we can change everyone's life, not just elite athletes, everybody's lives. I hope this presentation is giving you some insights about cryotherapy. Today I covered what cryotherapy is, how it can be used to treat multiple diseases, and how this really can be a game changer for everybody. The potential is out there for all of us to enjoy the benefits. Are you willing to take that chance?